Hello, welcome back guys to Amolia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to block email in Gmail on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly, of course you just have to open your Gmail applications. And now if you wanna block the email on your Gmail, you just have to open the email first. For example, I'm gonna open it. And now you just have to click the three dots icon here in the top right in the corner of the email like this, then select block. This is the name senders. If you want to block it, you just have to tap on this block options like this, and it will be looking like this. Yeah guys, you can see here the information that this message or this email is already blocked. If you want to unblock it, you just have to tap on this button, which is unblock sender. So if you block them, all features emails from that sender will be sent directly to your spam folder later. So yeah guys, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.